Hey everybody, Professor Benelou here. I will be your instructor for the next 5.5 weeks. Cannot wait. Welcome to HIST 101. Our first chat will be held on Tuesday the 7th. Check our classroom for the time. It will always be at the regularly scheduled time, so check out our classroom for those details. We will be getting into a great discussion on Tuesday the 7th. We will be, of course, introducing the course. And then I will be discussing the major events of the Cold War in the 1950s. Lots of stuff to discuss. The Marshall Plan, the kitchen debate. I mean, just a ton of information. The military industrial complex, and a lot of cool cultural things like our love affair with the car and how the suburbs came about, all that good stuff. So I can't wait to meet you all and to chat with you about some history in that regard. Absolutely, positively. Okay, so Unit 1 due dates, everybody. Friday the 10th, you will have two things due. You will have, firstly, your Unit 1 determined knowledge, which we're going to talk about the IntelliPass system, and you will be introduced to that if you haven't been already in Tuesday's chat. And then on Friday the 10th, you will also have your Unit 1 discussion board due. And I absolutely love this assignment. It's where we all get to know one another, which is so fabulous. You tell me about yourself, a little bit about yourself. You tell me and your classmates a little bit about yourself. So I absolutely love it. So that will be due also on Friday the 10th. Then on Tuesday, the 14th, you will have your Unit 1 IntelliPath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. All right, everybody, can't wait to discuss some history with you and meet you all at our chat on the 7th. Looking forward to it.